LAX. Can you tell us any more about who he was briefed by at the White House, anyone he may have talked to outside of the building, and does he have any sense of what actually has happened in this incident?
The President has been briefed on the incident at Los Angeles International Airport by Alyssa Mastromonaco, his Deputy Chief of Staff, and he will be regularly updated on unfolding events there. At this point, the lead is the LAPD, but we're obviously at the federal level in touch with law enforcement officials on the ground, and the President will be updated as the afternoon progresses.
And at this point, anything you can say about what he's been told, what the understanding is from officials on what's happened there?
No, I have no more information than what I think you're learning from reports out of L.A. right now to convey.
On a separate topic, intelligence officials say that the leader of the Pakistani Taliban was killed in a U.S. drone strike on Friday. Can you confirm that he was killed?
No, as you know, don't speak about operational matters, but I would have to refer you to Department of Defense for that.
And one last topic. Edward Snowden appears to be reaching out to some other countries for help in trying to get the U.S. to drop these charges against him. Is the U.S. talking to any countries, Germany in particular is one country we know he's reaching out to tell them what the U.S. would prefer they do in this kind of situation?
I'm certainly not aware of any conversations like that. Mr. Snowden has been charged with crimes, and he ought to return to the United States to face those charges and avail himself of all the rights available to defendants in this country. The crimes with which he's charged are very serious, and it's certainly our view that the right thing to do in this case is for him to return or be returned to the United States to face those charges and to have his day in court. So beyond that, our position is what it was, which is that the unauthorized release of classified information, especially of the nature that we're talking about here, is harmful to the national security interests of the United States.
Do you think it complicates for allies like Germany, for example, their dealings with him, perhaps knowing that U.S. officials had been spying on their communications up to their chancellor?
I mean, our view on what Mr. Snowden did, I think, is well known, and when it comes to the tensions caused by the disclosures that have appeared because of those unauthorized leaks, we're handling those issues in our direct diplomatic communications with Germany and other nations and allies. So, we've talked a lot about that, and there's no question that these are issues that we are addressing, and they go to the heart of the overall review of our intelligence collection activities that the President has ordered up, and it's underway now.